In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from demo to live account in Metatrader. If you've been practicing on a demo account and you're ready to trade real funds, this walkthrough will take you from the demo environment to your live trading account with confidence and clarity. Before we begin, make sure you have the login, password, and the correct live server details provided by your broker. Keep those credentials secure and don't share them with anyone. Start by opening Metatrader on your device. Give it a moment to load your current workspace. At the top right, look for the profile icon. Click it to access your sign-in area. This helps the platform sync your accounts and settings across sessions. If you're already signed in, you're good to proceed. Next, move to the Navigator panel, usually on the left side of the screen. Locate the Accounts section and click it to view the accounts linked to your platform. You'll see your demo account here and you'll add your live account in the same place. Now, right-click on Accounts. This opens a context menu with several options focused on account management. From that menu, choose Login to Trade Account. This is the command that tells Metatrader you want to connect to an existing trading account rather than creating a new demo profile. A login window will appear. In the login field, enter the account number given by your broker. In the password field, type the password associated with that specific trading account. Consider using the save option only on your personal, secure device to avoid typing it each time. Finally, choose the correct server from the list. This is crucial. Select the live server that matches the details from your broker, not the demo server. If you pick the wrong server, the platform won't be able to authenticate your account and you'll see connection errors. After you've entered your login and password and chosen the live server, the platform will connect. You should notice your account switching from the demo balance to your live balance, and the account label will reflect the live environment. If you see invalid account or the connection status doesn't turn green, double check the server selection and re-enter your credentials exactly as provided. That's the full process for switching from demo to live in Metatrader. Trade carefully once you're connected. Every order will affect real capital. If you ever need to return to demo, you can repeat the same steps and select your demo account and demo server. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to confirm your account and server details before placing your first live trade.